Hi guys, today we're making chicken Milanese. And what country is it from? Once again.
It's made from the city Milan.
Which is in what country?
Have you ever heard of the city Milan?
No.
Alright, I'll give you a clue. The flag is red, white and green, vertical stripes. And the dinner is served with spaghetti.
Italy.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the Italian flag up here. And yeah.
Chicken Milanese from Milan.
In Italy.
In Italy.
So let's go.
All right.
And get the ingredients. Okay guys, we got the ingredients, so let me show you them. Spaghetti, which is from Italy. They have green, white, red, vertical flag. Here's it on screen again. Yeah. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay guys, so that's all the ingredients, so yeah, we'll be right back. Enjoy the break.
Okay, welcome back. While you've been gone, we took the chicken breasts and we covered them in the breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. We're going to cook those later, but they're just going to wait there for now.
Yeah.
Charlie's over here.
Yeah.
He's going to help me when we are going to take the tomatoes and we're going to make the tomato sauce part of the Milanese chicken. Yeah. So, next step is to chop the onion and the garlic. So we'll be right back.
Yeah. Enjoy the break. So, while you guys were gone, Daddy chopped the onions and the garlic.
And some basil.
Yeah, and some basil.
I have breaking news.
What?
This is breaking news.
Yeah.
It's breaking news.
Yeah.
Do you want to know what it is?
What?
It's a disaster.
What?
There is no onion in this recipe. All of that onion chopping. Delete. Fail. We don't need it.
So you just did all of that for fun?
For a mistake, but yeah, I enjoyed chopping. But we'll use it in tomorrow's recipe. So I'll have a chopped onion ready to go.
Oh.
But what a fool.
Yeah, what a fool you were.
Yep. Next up, we're going to heat some olive oil, heat the garlic and basil, and then Charlie's going to pour in the tomatoes.
Yay! Enjoy the break, you guys. Is it safe? I don't know. Oh, yeah! Hey, yo. I just saw you. Camera at my...
Meanwhile, we put the tomatoes into the garlic and basil, and that's sitting there for 30 minutes. Next up, we're going to cook the chicken, which is going to need Charlie's help.
Hi.
Yeah.
What am I going to do now?
We need you to put the oil into the pan so that we can cook the chicken.
Wait, really?
Yeah. So.
Oh, I thought it was a whole bottle.
No, just that much into that pan.
All of it?
Yeah, but remember the pan's hot.
It's like green stuff.
Yeah,
Like boogers.
olive oil.
Ow.
Good job.
Enjoy the break. And that is how you make chicken Milanese. Like and subscribe for more videos. And there's more videos down if you want to see them. Bye. Ooh, ooh.